Hello everyone, today we're reviewing AppLights Permanent, smart outdoor lights you leave up year-round for holidays and everyday use. With some users reporting 8 to 9 years of flawless performance while others claim the company is bankrupt, is it worth buying? Let's break down the truth. Yes, AppLights is a legitimate product, not a scam. It's real hardware that actually works, with users reporting incredible longevity. One reviewer stated, "I purchased these lights 8 years ago. They've been on my house all year round to celebrate every holiday. More than 8 years of sunlight, hot and cold weather, even some hurricanes. They work and connect with my phone every time." Another user confirms, "I've had these same lights for 9 years, and they work and have always worked fantastic. I love the ability to personalize everything." Here's the critical issue. The company appears to be bankrupt or out of business. Multiple users note, "I'm pretty sure the company that made these is bankrupt, so you cannot buy more. If you already own AppLights, they were great. But finding new sets to purchase is nearly impossible." Here's the reality. Installation isn't plug-and-play simple. One detailed review describes the frustration. Non-removable light bulbs make spacing difficult. Clips snap easily during installation, requiring lots of patience. And if you get a previously returned set already paired to someone else's phone, reprogramming is extremely difficult with poor Mandarin to English translation instructions. However, once installed, users say the lights look fantastic, with easy app operation and endless Christmas patterns plus themes for every holiday. The permanent outdoor light market has exploded. Govee, the category inventor from 2022, plus Brighton, UFI, Fight Electric, LIFX, Nanoleaf, and Twinkly all offer similar products, often with better availability, customer support, and modern features. The app connectivity requires Bluetooth and location permissions. With about 10 feet range, users report the app works reliably once set up, with multiple holiday themes and the ability to connect up to 8 strands of working in tandem. Lights can power up to 100 bulbs per adapter, with the app supporting up to 100 adapters. The lights themselves are durable, surviving extreme weather from -4 to 140 degrees, lasting through hurricanes and maintaining functionality for nearly a decade in outdoor conditions. The final verdict: AppLights Permanent is a legit product, but from a defunct company. The hardware is excellent and incredibly durable, but you likely can't buy them anymore. For permanent outdoor smart lights, go with Govee, which is $180 to $450, which offers similar features with modern support, easier installation, and widespread availability at Amazon, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Lowe's. The concept works. Just buy from companies still in business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.